Scripture does not say then her eyes were open. It
Isithelo asisho ukuthi amehlo
is only after she had given
yila esenike khona uAdam
the fruit
kuphela
to the husband
isithelo
who was meant to give guidance
okwakumele ukuthi
and be like, we do not do this.
amtshela ukuthi asikwenzi
But we
lokho
find that he stood there
kodwa sithola ukuthi wayemile
and
lapho
ate the fruit with the wife.
edla isithelo
And that
nomkhosi
is why when we separate between Christ and Adam,
ingakho masihlukanisa phakathi
we
kwaKristu
say
noAdam
Adam died with his wife
sithi uAdam wafana
and
nomakoti
Christ
wakhe
died for his wife.
uKristu wafela
So
umakoti
Christ
wakhe
did something better.
uKristu wenza into
He
engcono
understood even when the enemy came to him in Mark 4
waqondisisa isitha
to tempt him
masifo
with the
ukuzomlinga
same temptation that it was given to Adam.
ngeyilinga
It
ezanika
was not the fruits there,
kwangesona
but
isithelo
it was, I
lapho
will give you anything.
ukuthi ngiyokunika noma
Just
yini
bow to me.
ngithobele
We
mina
find Christ
sithola uKristu
saying it is written
ethi
because
kubhaliwe
he understands
ngoba
that the
uyaqonda
ammunition of a believer
ukuthi sivikelo somuntu
is
okholayo
written.
ukuthi kubhaliwe